In this video, I'll show you how to create a subreddit on Reddit, which is a community focused on a specific interest. You can create your subreddit for free. If I search football, I find communities like r/football and r/fantasyfootball, which have thousands of members. To create a subreddit, go to Reddit's homepage and go to the top right corner and select Create Community. I want to create a subreddit for my YouTube channel, so I'll name it r/FireLeo. It is best to make your subreddit public for all to view and post. Once created, you can skip making your first post or create to welcome members. Clarify your subreddit purpose and outline rules. You can include images, videos or polls in your first post, then hit post. This welcome message will be visible for others to engage with, and you can pin it to keep it at the top. Now you are all set. You have successfully created a subreddit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.